Hello kids, how do you do? I hope and I wish all of you are good in health and safe at your home. Okay, so children, it's a very lovely good morning. So, are you ready for today's class, today's activity? Are you ready? Very nice. Now say with me, I am ready. Once again, I am ready. Wonderful. Very good, children. Okay, now who will tell me what we are learning? Can you tell me? Yes, tell me what we are learning about. Our body parts. Yes, we are learning about our body parts. Face, eyes, ears, nose, lips, mouth and tongue, teeth. And these are two hands. Can you tell me how many hands we have? We have two hands and we have fingers also. Okay, so children, yesterday we have done hand printing. Yes, we had done hand printing. Okay, now can you tell me how many legs we have? Yes, tell me fast. We have two legs. Now show me your legs. Touch your legs. We have two legs, like we have two eyes, two ears, two hands and two legs also, and we have two feet. Okay, so children, now we will revise all the parts of body. Here you see the pictures and say their parts name. So this is face, and what is the color of faces? Skin color. We have skin color. Okay, and what is this, children? This is hair. These are hair. And what are these, children? Two eyes. Two eyes. And what are these? These are two ears. What is this? One nose. We have one nose. And we have lips. This is lip. And what is this, children? It's our mouth. Open your mouth. We say na, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. And what is in our mouth? Tongue. This is tongue. And these are teeth. Yes, very good. And this is hand. Everybody has two hands. This is the picture of leg. And how many legs we have? Two legs. Okay. Children, these are two legs. These are two legs. These are feet. These are feet. And these are toes. It calls toes. Okay. So children, all of you know, and you can see here, you are having two legs. We have two legs. How many legs? Two legs. Okay. So children, all of you know we have two legs. So children, today we will do some activity with our feet. Okay. As we have done handprints yesterday, today we will print our feet. Okay. We will print our feet. 2 feet. Okay. So today's activity is footprint. We will make footprint with our 2 feet. Okay. So are you ready, children? You will enjoy this activity and you can take any of your favorite paint as you have taken yesterday. So today also you can take any your favorite paint. Okay, now be ready with paint box and mix in the plate as ma'am will show you. Now be ready with paint and a blank paper. Okay, do not take drawing paper, take a blank paper. Okay. Okay, children, here you can see I have a plate and paint. I have mixed paint yellow and this is blue paint. You can take any color, any paint. Okay, what you like. So, now children, you have to take paints and mix them in a plate. Thick paint. Okay, आपको थोड़ा dark, गाढ़ा paint रखना है. So, as we have done handprints yesterday, today we will print our feet. And how many feet we have? 2 feet. Yes, very good. Now, take a white paper. Okay, it's a white blank paper. Now, what you have to do, children? Take paint and print your 1 feet first. And print on the paper. Yes. Now, dip your second feet. Like this in the paint. Take off. And print your another feet like this. See, here you can see, children, 2 feet yellow, 2 feet yellow and blue. So, you have to do like this, children. Take paint and dip your feet in the paint as you have shown in the video. Okay. Now take a blank paper, paint, dip your feet in the paint and print like this. 2 feet. Okay. So children, today we have learned footprint. Handprint yesterday and today footprint. We have 2 feet and 2 legs. So children, now it's your turn. Do this activity carefully. Take mama's or papa's help. Okay. And we will meet again tomorrow with new activity of body parts. Till then, children, take care, bye-bye, and be safe. Bye, my lovely children.